Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and share to TikTok from the FaceApp application. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official FaceApp application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone. Open up the App Store, search for FaceApp, find the application and install it. So after installing it, opening it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by, from where we can get started uploading photos that we want to edit with, either using the camera roll right here or from the photo gallery. So once you've done that, now we can get started editing our photos that we're going to be uploading. So let's go ahead and open up any of our photos. It's going to open it up in this editor mode right here, where at the bottom of the screen you can find all the options you have for editing your photos. So let's go ahead and use any of the edits that we're going to go ahead and upload to Instagram or to TikTok, and once you're done you can go ahead and get started saving your picture. So here in the upper right corner you're going to have the save option that's going to enable you to save this photo to your device. Now you have two options. You can either go ahead and save it to your device using this way right here, save it to your gallery that you're going to upload to FaceApp, or in the upper right corner you're going to find the share button. By clicking this share button right here, you're going to be able to share it to whatever application you prefer, Instagram, TikTok and so on. You can select TikTok, get started with uploading it this way, and these are the two ways you have to upload to TikTok. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.